A new year is not just a date on the calendar. It is an invitation to rebuild, to start again, to become the person you were always meant to be. But real transformation does not come from resolutions that fade within weeks. It does not come from forcing yourself into habits that do not align with your true self. It comes from asking the right questions. Questions that shake you, that strip away illusions, that reveal the truth you have been avoiding. There are 3 questions that have the power to change everything. They expose your hidden self, your deepest fears, and your truest desires. If you are willing to answer them honestly, this year will not be like the ones before. This year will be the year you finally set yourself free. And then, once you have lightened your load, you must ask yourself the second, how do you change them? You stop accepting less than you are worth. You stop settling for relationships that drain you. You stop giving your time to people who do not value you. You stop shrinking yourself to fit into spaces where you do not belong. You begin to demand more, not from the world, but from yourself. Because the truth is, you set the standard for how others treat you. You teach the world what you will and will not accept. If you want a better life, you must first believe that you are worthy of it. Letting go is not weakness. It is not forgetting. It is not pretending that pain never existed. It is choosing not to let it define you anymore. It is saying, this happened to me, but it will not control me. I will not allow it to shape my future. This is where healing begins, not in denial, but in acceptance. You must give yourself permission to release what is heavy, because the truth is, you are not meant to carry everything. Some things must be set down so that you can move forward. The first question, what are you still carrying that no longer serves you? Is one that most people avoid. It is easier to pretend that the past has no power over you. But the truth is, your past lives within you, shaping your thoughts, your choices, your relationships. The pain you never healed from still whispers in your mind. The betrayal you never forgave still holds you back from trusting. The failure you never released still makes you afraid to try again. If you want this year to be different, you must stop running from what still controls you. You must face it, acknowledge it, and finally let it go. The greatest tragedy in life is not failing. It is never truly living. It is waking up one day and realizing you spent your entire existence trying to be what others expected instead of becoming who you were meant to be. If this year is going to be different, then you must return to yourself. You must unlearn the lies you have believed. You must strip away the masks, the performances, the fear of judgment. Because the world does not need a version of you that is acceptable. It needs the real you. The second question is even deeper. What do you truly believe you deserve? Your life is a mirror of your beliefs. If you believe you are unworthy of love, you will settle for less than you deserve. If you believe success is for others but not for you, you will sabotage opportunities. Your mind has been programmed by past experiences, by childhood wounds, by the fears of those who raised you. But here is the truth. You can reprogram it. You can decide right now that you are worthy of more. And once you believe it, your life will begin to shift in ways you never imagined. These 3 questions are not just reflections. They are the keys to your freedom. They will break the cycle. This journey will not be easy. It will require you to face parts of yourself you have hidden. It will demand honesty, courage, and the willingness to let go of anything that no longer serves your growth. But if you do this, if you truly commit to rebuilding yourself, you will wake up one day and realize that you are no longer just existing. You are alive. Fully, completely, unapologetically alive. Because this is the truth. You were not meant to stay the same. You were